In the introduction slide, you have to include 4 to 6 elements, which are the name of your project or product, the one-sentence tagline, a quick description of what can be expected or what the project or product is about, your name, your designation or the team's name, an image or two, and an optional logo for your project or product if you have created it. So for the name, I wanted the big, bold writing to be easily read and understood. So from my project, I thought customizable notebooks was the perfect title. For the tagline, I've got 4 options that I like from the project page on Kickstarter, and I think I'm going to rephrase and use these for the tagline and for the product description. I saw that this template already had an O as part of its design, and the brand's logo is OT for Organized Thoughts. So I created a T that looked similar to the O and designed the logo into the background. Now I need an image, a tagline, and a description. So as the next natural step, I included the image of the product and included the description as features of the product. It saved space while also communicating the product effectively. From there, it was simple rearranging of the elements until it felt complete, so that it reads, OT one-of-a-kind customizable notebooks. Choose the thread color, front cover, and the inside pages. For the writers, designers, creators, planners, artists, and paper addicts.